Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for a Robinhood account. If you're trying to log into Robinhood and you are in this main login page, if you've forgotten your password during the login process, then here is a quick tutorial on what to do next. First, go ahead and open up a web browser and type in robinhood.com and press enter. After doing that, you'll end up in the official site for Robinhood. Click the login button at the top right hand corner, which will take you to the sign in page. You'll need to type in your email and password associated with your Robinhood account to log in. If you don't remember your password, you can simply click on this forgot your password link and then on the next page, enter your registered email with Robinhood. After you do that, click on send email. You'll now receive an email with password reset instructions to your email address that you've registered with. Simply go ahead and open your email inbox. And once you are logged into your email account, you'll receive an email from Robinhood. Click open the mail and click on the reset password link. It'll then take you to a new tab where you can easily change to a new password. Type in your new password in the first text box. While creating a password, make sure to use at least 10 characters long password. Once done, go to the next field and retype in the password again. Finally, click reset password. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to reset your password to a new one. Click the login button and in the login page, type in your email and the new password you just reset to and click login to get access to your Robinhood.com account. That is how you can easily reset your forgotten Robinhood password. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.